As pandemic sweeps the country, India's allies and friends around the world have lent it their moral and material support. In Sri Lanka, the country with which India's relationship has thrived on shared values, people held prayers for India's recovery from the second wave. Others have been sending plane loads of medical assistance to strengthen its fight. Observers say the country will experience its peak by mid-May this year, and a further ramping up of facilities is required at the moment.
In a gesture expressing concern for the people of neighbouring India, Buddhist monks in Sri Lanka prayed for the improvement of situation in India that stands ravaged by the coronavirus. Monks at the historic Kelaniya Buddhist temple began chanting the holy Ratna Sutra verse. The sutra was first preached by Buddha more than 2600 years ago when a pandemic had devastated the ancient Indian kingdom of Vassala. Since then, the sutra is recited during times of hardship, believing the practice would eradicate the pandemic. When Sri Lanka was shut down due to the virus in March last year, Buddhist clergy recited the sutra every night for 1 month.
Our neighbor, the Indian people, suffer a lot because of this COVID-19. Actually, as a religious people, and also especially the Buddhist monks and Buddhist people in this country, want to share our sympathy with the people of India.
India was one of the first countries to deliver vaccines to Sri Lanka under its Vaccine Maitri program a few months ago. Not just Sri Lanka, New Delhi had sent vaccines to dozens of countries. Now these countries have scrambled to support Delhi when the latter is recording unprecedented rise in cases. Plane loads of ventilators, medicines and oxygen equipment have been pouring into India from countries including the UK and the US. By Sunday, some 300 tons of supplies on 25 flights had arrived at Delhi International Airport alone.
I know that the support that has already been provided to India directly, whether it's in oxygen concentrators or respirators or PPE equipment and all of these things has been positively received, and we intend to provide as much further assistance as we possibly can, and I look forward to discussing that with Prime Minister Modi this afternoon.
Indian government has asserted that coronavirus is a shared problem. New Delhi, which supported all other countries including the states with essential medicines last year, said that what has been termed as aid by press and observers is mutual expression of friendship.